everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be doing a bake with me. We are going to be making mini lemon bar bites. And so before we get started, I just wanted to mention that this video is in collaboration with Sarah from Simply Sarah Lynn here on YouTube. She's so much fun. She has two little girls named Saroon and Naomi, a girl mom just like me. She has such fun content on her channel. She does cleaning videos, routine videos, organization videos, and so many more. So go check out her channel and subscribe. I'll leave her baking video in the description box below. If you're new here, coming from Sarah's channel, welcome. I'd love to have you as a part of our family here on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe and like the video. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on your oven and set it to 350. Next, you'll cut your shortening in half so that you have half a cup of shortening. You'll then measure out your 1 cup of flour, your 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and then you'll combine all of those ingredients into your mixing bowl. I then added 3 spoonfuls of cold water. You can add as many as you see fit. I didn't have crushed ice, so I just used this ice cube on top of the spoon. And after I had added 3, I decided that 1 more would be good. You'll then need your mini muffin pan to start adding the dough to. Don't forget to spray your pan with cooking spray. I then added a small ball of the dough to each of the spots in the muffin tin. I flattened it on the bottom, and then I also flattened it on the sides. You can do it like this, or you can just flatten it on the bottom. Make sure that it's extremely thin because it's going to rise and puff out in the oven. I set the timer for 5 minutes, but I ended up doing it for 8 minutes, and that was a good time for it. You'll want to see a little bit of browning around the edges. Next, we are going to work on the lemon filling. You're going to add 1 cup of sugar, two tablespoons of flour, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. You will then add your 2 beaten eggs to the dry mixture. You'll then juice your lemons. I decided to use 2, but you can use however many you want according to taste. There's probably an easier way to get the seeds out, but I just used a spoon and got them all out as good as I could. You can then add as much lemon zest as you'd like. I then added the lemon juice to it and mixed it all up. Once your mixture is done, you can take it by the spoonful and add it to each of the little cups. I just did it as high as I wanted to. Some of them went higher, some of them were a little bit lower like little cups, but they're not going to overflow when they're in the oven. They'll just set. This first batch I ended up having in there for 13 minutes. The second batch I took out at 10 minutes and it was a lot better. The lemon mixture just needs to be set, meaning it doesn't move all around when you move the pan. I then squoze fresh lemon juice over them to add a little bit more of that lemon flavor. The last thing you'll do before you take them out is sprinkle powdered sugar over them. the bottoms of a lot of mine stuck in there, but you can see later I sneak a little bit of it and eat it. They turned out cute, just not all of it came out. Let me help you, baby May.
Good morning. Good morning.
Do this one here and then you can do that. Make sure to get in her mouth, okay, May? Now take a bite of it. Is it nummy? I hope you all enjoyed watching our video. Please subscribe and like this video, and also go check out Sarah's video. I'll leave that link in the description below. Thanks for watching!